Is it recording? All right, cool. Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I know it's been about like this past weekend, I think, or the last video that I put, where where I basically just said that 407 was target, which I mean, which it did hit. We basically hit this on the 31st of January, which was yesterday. Yesterday? Yeah, yesterday. And then we also hit target back, I think last Friday or so. So target definitely hit. Super happy about that. Still pretty bullish. Today is FOMC. So really, what's happening right now is just, I'm not trading today. I do have a small position in Forex. I think I'm up like, something small, nothing crazy. But usually on these days, I don't like to trade at all. I'm going to be selling out of everything, all of my calls, all my options. I'm going to be selling out this morning. And then all my Forex positions, basically, I'm going to be out of the market completely. And I just don't like playing FOMC. Too volatile for me, personally. And just to let you guys know that today, it really just doesn't, TA-wise, it says up. I do think that as of right now, we are headed towards 416, 417. That's target. The first target was 407. That already hit last Friday. Next target is actually 417, 416, 415, somewhere around that general area. And I do think that we can hit it sometime, possibly even today. If everything comes in, right at play, right? Because, I mean, even right now we're at 407. But today, not really a TA video, more of just letting you guys know that FOMC is today. And, it's going to be super volatile. It really just depends on what JP says. If we stay on track and, they come in and raise everything by, 25 basis points, then I think we stay bullish. If they raise it by 50 basis points, then I think that's a clear sign that there might be some sort of reversal in inflation. So personally, I think it's going to come in at 25. There's no especially with CPI coming down every single month over month, like religiously for the last couple, like 3 months or so. So yeah, really no point for what is it called, for their rate hike to be astronomical at 50 basis points. It makes absolutely no sense. I think that they're going to stick to 25, and I think that that's basically a bullish neutral sign. This is going to keep pushing up. And again, I think we have earnings tomorrow, I think Thursday, for Amazon, Google, and a bunch of other big tech. That will definitely move the market. But that's going to be another completely different video. But this is mostly just letting you guys know that today's going to be very volatile. Don't really have a range today because FOMC can, it can either mess things up really bad or it can keep things going in the same direction. So we'll see what happens. Personally, I'm bullish all day today. So, I'm 100% going to be out of everything in the market right before FOMC starts, or right at 11, right before 11. I'm going to be out of all positions, regardless if I'm, at loss or at gain. I'm just going to be out because I don't like playing that volatility. So with that being said, I'll see you guys later. I'll probably be back here sometime at around maybe noonish, just to give you guys an update on the market and what happened and where I think everything's going. But I really do think that it's going to be a regular 25 basis point hike, and it's going to be neutral bullish. I really don't think we're going to be super bearish even when JP speaks. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.